I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes at the age of 38, and by the age of 45 I had some serious cardiovascular disease. I had blockages that required angioplasty and stents. So I would say at 45 I felt like I was an old man. Around 7 years ago I went through a divorce, which was psychologically painful, and my first sexual experience after my divorce, I was unable to achieve erection, and it felt very embarrassing, very troubling. And I had gone to my urologist and told him about the problem. And he said that, oh, it's psychological because you had just gone through a divorce, so you're with a new person, it would probably cause these types of things. Well, every attempt that I made after that, I was unable to achieve and maintain an erection. So it affected me quite a bit. I tried all different types of supplements. Anything, I would do a lot of reading on the internet. I would figure out supplements that supposedly would give me better circulation. I really never saw the results that I was looking for. If I did get any results, it was very negligible. But these supplements basically didn't do anything for me. After I started my treatments with Lasara, I noticed almost immediate results. It seemed like my size was larger. I felt like there was more rigidity to my penis, and probably about 3 or 4 treatments in, I was able to achieve an erection and have intercourse for the first time in about 7 years. So I was really impressed with the treatment and how it worked, and according to John and the staff, it was only going to get better. So that got me excited, and was fully on board with Lasara, and was really very grateful that I could find some solution to this problem that was pretty major in my life. When I tried Cialis and Viagra, it was kind of spotty. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. I did have a great fear because I had heart condition. I had the cardiovascular problems. I felt uneasy about taking these medications, and I stopped taking them early on because I just didn't want to have any issues happen relating to my heart condition. So I felt that I wanted to find a more natural solution, so the pills to me represented something that I really did not want to get into. It is tremendous impact on my life. Before I was able to achieve the erection, I felt inferior. I felt a little ashamed when searching, being single, and when searching for a partner. That was always in the forefront of my thinking was, would this person be willing to accept someone who could not achieve an erection and or have intercourse? And so it played very big in my mind in terms of finding a suitable partner. So it just really did not give me the confidence to go after or contact people that I was interested in. So it really held me down. It was a major issue in my life. When I met Dr. DeYoung, I felt like I felt his professionalism, his manner. I knew that he had been experienced. I felt that his diagnosis of me would be fair and accurate. He asked a lot of questions and went over my medical history very thoroughly, and I think he did a really thorough job of discovering the state of my health and where I'm at today with my health, and discerning whether the treatment would be appropriate for me. I have a partner that I've been seeing, and although this partner did not have any problem with my ED, I could tell she was delighted when I was able to achieve erection and we could have intercourse for the first time. She was really graceful about never making an issue, but I could see by her reaction that she was definitely very happy that I was able to take the next step in our relationship, and she has basically told me that it's the best sex she's ever had in her life, and I feel that's all due to my confidence and my ability to achieve an erection, and so it makes me feel more of a man. As you experience these issues, I think as a man I would tend to put a lot of my self-worth in my sexuality, and I used to be highly sexual when I was younger, but that had basically gone away. I feel like I'm bringing it back after Lasara's treatments. I feel like I'm a teenager again. I can have sex the way I used